Hey guys, I'm here looking like a puffer jacket, a puffer pig, no, a puffer fish. Anyways, it's a new day, and today we booked a hop on hop off bus tour. So we're gonna be going to a lot of the famous places in New York. Yeah, and I'm dressed for the weather. I like this jacket, but because I don't think it's warm enough, so I wore this over it. But when I'm ready to take pictures and stuff, I'm gonna definitely be taking it off. All right, so we're gonna be buying a ticket here. $3. Okay, and this is the Metro card. Okay, all right, let's go.
There is a local 5 train to Eastchester Dyer Avenue, approaching the station.
We made it to Times Square. Walking to meet my sister right now, and then we're gonna go find a pickup spot for the bus so that we can start our adventure. So we went on the hop on hop off bus. We chose the big bus tours, and for this company they actually have 2 different routes. They have the red route, which is the downtown area of New York, and they have the blue route, which is the uptown area. I actually wanted to do both because we can, with the 24-hour pass that we got, we can actually do both because it's unlimited, but because of the time constraint we could not, so we only end up doing the downtown area. So for the downtown area we got to see many different historical buildings. We saw the Times Square East, we saw the Empire State Building or Koreatown. There was also Chinatown and Little India, well, Little Italy, not Little India, Little Italy. We went to the Brooklyn Bridge, but we actually could come off the bus and walk to the, or I don't know how you get to the Brooklyn Bridge, but we decided to stay on the bus because we didn't want to do that, and plus it was cold, even though we were at the top. So these are the different views that we saw while we were on the bus. We actually we came off at the Statue of Liberty because we wanted to, you know, like experience, well, actually I did not even know that the Statue of Liberty was on a different island. Can you imagine? So I was like, okay, in Japan we were always talking about Statue of Liberty in the English textbook, so let me just go see this statue. We made it to the Statue of Liberty, which I've already wanted to see. Anyway, so we're gonna try and see if we can get some tickets to go on the boat. Okay, we're getting some hot dogs.
Next, anybody?
Yeah, forgot to record before biting to it. Got that crow. Got this lion dog. We did a whole security checkpoint, just like how you would when you're going on a plane. That was the same exact thing, checking your luggage, searching your person and all of that. I was like, damn, they're so strict. But anyways, we finally made it onto the boat after being in the line for so long, and so many people were there. We're gonna go up. There are 3 flights.
Again, disembark. If you observe anything.
Liberty Island, people. Liberty Island, they said. So we on this island where the Statue of Liberty is. I had no idea that the Statue of Liberty was on a different island. I had no idea. But here we are. As you can see, guys, the Statue of Liberty is right behind me. Yeah, it's on an island by itself, and the island is actually not that big, but it's a far walk, like to get to the front part of it. I don't think we're gonna go inside because we're kind of strapped for time. But let's see what can happen. It's windy, and there are a lot of seagulls here. Okay, so why is it green? So some chemical thingy. Okay, I see. Alright.
Vessel to reach the exit. Please exercise caution when standing or
the other one was like that with a lot of seats up there.
Unexpected vessel movement. Please hold handrails whenever possible, particularly on stairways. Please step up, watch your step, and hold the handrails while moving onto, along, or off of the gangway. The vessel is now moored.
Wow, jeez. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. And he's good. Alright. Whatever I do, you do, okay? So follow me, alright? I'm you guys' leader. You guys are gonna clap for them, alright?
Yep.
Alright?
Yeah.
Music. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Come to the front. Come to the front. Come to the front. No, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Now stop. Now take it around, take it around.
Just leave me alone.
One, help me guys. Two, let's go. Three, all right. Four, give them one more. Five. That's it, no more. That's good. Come on, give them a 7, guys.
Wow.
Oh, you want to see me leap? Forward or backwards? Forward, say yeah.
Yeah.
Backwards, say yeah.
Yeah.
God damn it. Okay, you've been a good crowd. So, I'm gonna go backwards. He's coming right now. Make some noise. Whoa. Make some noise, New York City. Yes, yes.
We stopped at this place and I ordered. We got a Philly cheesesteak and milkshake. Guys, I was eating the Philly sandwich and I found a coin in it. Like I actually bite into a coin. It was so disgusting. I had to throw up. I felt so sick for the entire time. Alright guys, so we made it back to the hotel. I'm tired as hell. So we're gonna call it a night here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.